Hi, my name is Nao Suerte, and in this video, we are going to discuss about taxonomy. Taxonomy is a system that biologists use to group organisms based on similar characteristics. Taxonomy is based on a concept called homology, shared characteristics that have been passed down from a common ancestor. Biologists who study taxonomy are called taxonomists. How did it started? Well, people wanted to organize their world, so they began grouping things or classifying everything they saw. They organized everything from things that can swim, things that can fly, things that can crawl, things that can walk on four legs, things that can chew their food, things that can swallow the food whole, and even things that are toxic. So why did they classify things? Because they wanted to study more about the earth and the living things in it, and organize all the species we discovered to give every species a name based on standard method, so scientists from different countries can talk about the same animal without confusion. Although humans have been classifying organisms by various methods since ancient times, Swedish biologist Carolus Linnaeus is considered to be the father of modern taxonomy. Carolus Linnaeus developed a 7-level classification system based on similarities between organisms. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species are the 7 levels of classification. Kingdom being the largest group with many different types of members in it, to species, which is the smallest group, only having one member. An animal is usually known by two names, its genus name and its species name. For example, a Canis lupus is the scientific name for gray wolf, where Canis is the genus and lupus, which is the species name. This system uses a binomial nomenclature. A genus consists of a group of closely related to its species. In the example earlier, other animals in the Canis group can include dogs and coyotes. This means that gray wolf have the same genus with them. Remember that the genus name is always capitalized. A species consists of animals that can mate and produce fertile offspring. In the example, the gray wolf species is a lupus, and only gray wolves are known as lupus, so it means that they are the only lupus species. Remember that the species name is always lowercase. In binomial nomenclature, bi means two and nomen means name. A binomial nomenclature is a classification system using two names to identify an organism. During this lesson, I did one project that explains about taxonomy. The project that I did was a dichotomous key. A dichotomous key is a tool created by scientists to help scientists and lay people identify objects and organisms. Typically, a dichotomous key for identifying a particular type of object consists of a specific series of questions. When one question is answered, the key is direct the user as to what question to ask next. What I did was I made a dichotomous key for fruits to be able to identify and organize them one by one.